The Ministry of Fisheries and the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources have emphasized the importance of Fiji's ratification of the Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction, or BBNJ, agreement, highlighting its role in protecting marine biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. During their submissions to the Standing Committee on Foreign Affairs and Defence, both ministries outlined how the treaty would help regulate human activities on the high seas, ensuring conservation and equitable benefit sharing. Choeli Rangoneliwa has more.
The Ministry of Fisheries Deputy Secretary Netani Tavanga expressed strong support for the agreement but raised concerns over potential contradictions between BBNJ provisions and Fiji's foreign rights under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea.
There is some contradiction within the BBNJ text and we're still investigating it, particularly for Article 5.1 and Article 11.4. I'll go specifically to Article 11.4 where it states that it does not, my apologies ma'am, if I could just pull it up. The text says, no state shall claim or exercise sovereignty or sovereign rights over marine genetic resources of areas beyond national jurisdiction. In this particular case, our sovereign right extends to that area. Now, having mentioned that, I think there's leeway within the text to be able to negotiate that. Again, I'm not speaking on mining. This is the sedentary species. It's covered under the mother document, which is the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea.
The Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources focused on importance of area-based management tools, marine protected areas, and environmental impact assessments to safeguard marine ecosystem from threats such as deep-sea mining and climate change.
The BBNJ agreement ensures that all activities in the high seas undergo proper EIAs before they are approved, and also the agreement mandates EIAs for activities that may impact biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. As for the role of the ministry through the Mineral Resources Department is mandated by the Mining Act to oversee that the seabed mining regulation and also these large-scale marine projects, infrastructure projects, adhere to the BBNJ aligned EIA processes.
The chairperson of Standing Committee on Foreign Affairs and Defence, Leonora Ngirngir-Tambua, emphasized that this submission process has to follow its proper channels before it is made official.
I note that once we bring this back to Parliament and it's ratified, then the talking happens, the negotiations happen, and as you know, that we have to reach a certain number of ratifiers before the 120 days comes into effect, and then we can make this official worldwide.
Both ministries agreed that Fiji must secure its interests before full ratification, particularly in balancing conservation with economic opportunities such as fisheries and marine research. With Fiji being a maritime nation dependent on ocean resources, the BBNJ agreement represents both opportunities and challenges that require careful navigation through ongoing diplomatic negotiations. Joel Rangoneliwa, Fiji One News.